car for passengers. Now we can leave for a journey. Let's learn how to drive a train. Let's pull the lever to blow a horn. Move the driver's controller to the extreme position to speed up. Let's drag a passenger to an empty seat in the car. The passengers are ready to leave for a journey. Now you've learned how to drive a train. Pull the lever to blow a horn. The passengers with a cloud want to get off. The passengers have taken their seats. The train can go further. The railroad helps you quickly cover the distance between Let's move on. The passengers have taken their seats. The train can go further.